Want to speak English more naturally in daily life? Watch these 10 simple English conversations and stay until the end for useful vocabulary and phrases. If this helps you, please like and subscribe. Let's get started. Talking about a bad night's sleep. You look really tired today. Did you sleep okay?
Not really. I had a bad night's sleep.
Oh no, what happened?
I kept waking up and checking the time.
That's frustrating.
Yes, and once I wake up, it's hard to fall asleep again.
That makes the next day feel longer.
Exactly. I feel slow and unfocused today.
I'm sorry to hear that.
It's okay. I'll try to go to bed earlier tonight.
That sounds like a good plan. Asking for advice about a difficult decision. Can I ask you for some advice?
Sure, what's going on?
I have a difficult decision to make.
That can be stressful.
Yes, I don't know what the right choice is.
What are you deciding between?
Staying at my current job or looking for a new one?
That's not an easy choice.
I'm afraid of making the wrong decision.
That's understandable.
What would you do?
I would think about my long-term happiness.
That helps. Thank you for listening. Explaining a late reply. Hey John, I'm sorry for replying so late.
That's okay. I figured you were busy.
Yes, I had a long day at work.
No problem at all.
I didn't want you to think I was ignoring you.
I understand completely.
Thanks for being patient.
Of course, we all get busy sometimes.
I appreciate that. Discussing a change of plans. Hey, can we talk about tonight?
Sure, what's going on?
I need to change our plans.
Oh, okay, did something happen?
Yes, something unexpected came up at work.
I see.
I'm really sorry about this.
It's okay, these things happen.
Can we reschedule for another day?
Yes, that works for me.
Thanks for understanding. Talking about feeling overwhelmed. I feel really overwhelmed today.
I'm sorry you're feeling that way.
There's just so much to do.
That can be really hard.
My to-do list keeps getting longer.
That would stress anyone out.
I don't even know where to start.
Maybe start with one small task.
That sounds manageable.
One step at a time.
Thanks, that helps a lot. Asking someone to repeat or speak slower. Sorry, I didn't catch that.
No problem. What part?
Could you repeat it, please?
Sure, I said the meeting is at 3.
Okay. Could you speak a little slower?
Of course, thanks for telling me.
I'm still learning, so it helps.
You're doing great.
Thank you for being patient. Talking about a missed call or voicemail. Hi, John. I saw I missed your call earlier.
Yes, I tried to reach you.
Sorry about that.
No worries. I left you a voicemail.
I just listened to it.
Great. Did it make sense?
Yes, it did.
I was calling about tomorrow.
Thanks for letting me know.
Anytime.
Explaining a small mistake at work. Do you have a moment to talk?
Sure. What's up?
I want to let you know about a small mistake.
Okay, thanks for telling me.
I entered the wrong date on the report.
I see.
I noticed it this morning and fixed it.
Good catch.
I'm sorry about the confusion.
No problem. Thanks for fixing it quickly.
Talking about feeling unmotivated. Lately, I feel really unmotivated.
I'm sorry to hear that.
It's hard to focus on my work.
That can happen sometimes.
I feel tired even after resting.
Have you been under a lot of stress?
Yes, more than usual.
Maybe you need a short break.
You might be right.
Be kind to yourself.
I'll try. Thank you. Ending a conversation politely when busy. I really enjoy talking with you,
Me too.
but I need to get back to work now.
I understand.
Can we talk again later?
Of course.
Thanks for understanding.
No problem at all.
Talk to you soon.
Talk soon.
Before we finish, let's take a moment to review some useful vocabulary and phrases from today's conversations. Sleep well. Sleep well means to get good, restful sleep. Example: I didn't sleep well last night, so I feel tired today. Make a decision. Make a decision means to choose what to do. Example: I need more time to make a decision about my job. Reply late. Reply late means you answer a message after a long time. Example: sorry I replied late. I was busy at work. Check in. Check in means to contact someone to see how they are. Example: I just wanted to check in and see how you're doing. Something came up. Something came up is used when an unexpected problem occurs. Example: sorry I'm late. Something came up at work. Feel overwhelmed. Feel overwhelmed means to feel stressed by too many things at once. Example: I feel overwhelmed when I have too much to do. To-do list. A to-do list is a list of tasks you need to finish. Example: my to-do list is very long today. One step at a time. One step at a time means doing things slowly and calmly. Example: let's take this project one step at a time. Unmotivated. Unmotivated means lacking energy or desire to do something. Example: I feel unmotivated when I don't get enough rest. Take a break. Take a break means to stop working for a short time. Example: you should take a break and rest your mind. Get back to work. Get back to work means to return to your job or task. Example: I need to get back to work now. Thank you for watching today. We hope to see you again in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.